The limitations of poverty. Seeing is believing. Keeping truth at bay. The poor always believe only in what they see or hold in their hands, refusing to trust anything they haven't witnessed. However, the most frightening aspect is that in this world, there's so much they cannot see. As I mentioned before, the poor can never escape the temptation of money. They believe that once money is in their hands, it belongs to them, without ever considering the source of that money. This mindset breeds many crimes. Within the confines of poverty, they focus only on immediate gains, overlooking broader social responsibilities. This narrow perspective fosters social injustice and encourages more illicit activities. The poor need more education to broaden their horizons, enabling them to see and understand more, transcend current difficulties, and contribute to the common prosperity of society.